put an 8 in. Put an 8 in our ones. Okay? Y'all can do this on y'all's chart I handed y'all. Okay? Who's going to come put our tenths? Another 8. 8 in our tenths, okay? Hundredths. See if we can get something besides the 8. All right. What does that look like? 6? 6. 600. One more person. Okay, we got a 2. So 2,000s, right? And how are we going to say this? 8 and, right? And's the decimal, right? 8 and 862 thousandths. Great, great. Yes, ma'am. Yes, let's put it in our chart. Let's write our 8 and 862 thousandths in our chart. Okay? So we were talking about 2 other forms. What was the other forms that we have? We could write it out in words. Yes. So how would we write this in words? We don't have any whole numbers, right? What would we say on this one? Anybody know? Yes, 253 thousandths. So we have 3 digits here. So that's our tenths, hundredths, thousandths. So it would be in thousandths. You look at that last digit to determine if there's a number in that last spot, that third spot. This is your thousandth spot. If we only had 0.25 right here, how would we read that? Yes, it'd be 25 hundredths, right? And then if we took off the 5, just had the 2, how would we read that? 2 tenths. That's right. So if we write this out in word form, it's 253 thousandths. Okay? So let's do this in let's do it in expanded form now, okay? Alright. Do we have a whole number? No.
You want me to scroll that up? For you?
Yeah, that'd be fine.
Okay, so you can second
Sure.
with that marker.
Put down.
It's just so sensitive.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So we're not going to have a whole number, right? So it's going to be 1/10 times 2, right? Plus, right? Okay. Plus 1, what? 100? And then what's the last one? 1 what? 1,000. Okay? So that would be our expanded form on this. We don't have a whole number. Let's do one with a whole number. How would we write this one? 7. Somebody got it. 7 times what? Yeah, that's how we say it. So it would be 7 times 1 would be our whole number, right? And then we're going to add our decimal to it. And it's going to be 1/10, right? And the tenths, because that's our tenths. Plus what? 100ths? Our hundredths? What's in that spot? 3? Plus what? Good. Okay, so that's how we would write it expanded form on this one. Can someone tell me a word form on this one? 7 and 632 thousandths. So we would say 7 and thousandths. Okay? Does everybody understand what I'm saying on that? So it would be 7, 6,
Just the extras on
132 thousandths. Okay? Alright, let's write the value of the underlying digit. Okay? So what spot? 100. So it would be, what's the number? 9? 900. Good. How about 8? What spot? 10. So what? 7 tenths. What's the 6 in number 9?
6,000.
Thousandths. So it would be 6 thousandths. 10. The 3. 3 tenths. 11. What spot? 1,000ths. That's right. And then 12. That's in what spot? The one. The thousandths, yeah. So in 13 and 14, it's going to want us to write it in word form, like we did up here in number 5. So we would write, we don't have a whole number again, so it would be 489, what? Thousandths. And then when we write it out in expanded form, it would be 4 tenths. You could write this either way. You could write your fraction before your whole number. When you write it in expanded form, it's up to you. And then we're going to add our 8 times 100, and then our 9 times 1,000. Okay? Let's do one more spinner problem. One more, okay? Come spin it for me, please. Okay, so 3. Let's do one with 10s, okay? So let's say 3. Let's put 3 in our 10 spot. Come on, next. One more 3. We got 33. Five and 5, right? Because of what? The decimals red is what? And. Okay, next. Okay. About 6. So let's just stop right there, okay? So how will we read this? 33 is our whole number, right? 33 and 56, 560. Okay, let's draw X to our 0. How will we say it now? 33 and 56. Let's draw X to our 6. How will we say it now? 33 and 5. Yes, good. Okay, I want y'all to go ahead and let's finish 112 on our own. And Ms. Harden's going to review a few things with us. And I'm going to come around and spot check some of your work.
Alright guys, before you start those problems, let me go over a couple of things, okay?